Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we will discuss mean deviation, which is a type of measure of dispersion. Now, what is mean deviation? The mean deviation of a set of data is defined as the arithmetic mean of the deviation measured either from mean or from the median. So you can find from both, from mean as well as from median. All deviation being counted as positive. The reason is that because when we count the deviation from the arithmetic mean, it will provide a zero answer. So just to avoid this difficulty, we put the absolute in the formula or in the equation of the mean deviation to get a result. So for this reason, we use the absolute operator just to avoid this difficulty. As I have mentioned in the definition, the reason to count the deviation as positive to disregard the algebraic signs is to avoid the difficulty arising from the property that the sum of the deviation of the observation from their mean is zero. So now we go towards the second slide. Here is the mathematical equation of the mean deviation. The symbolic definition of the mean deviation from the mean is given below. That is, MD is denoted the mean deviation. That is summation absolute of x minus x bar divided by n. So here we are discussing the deviation taken from the mean. Now we are just consider here a simple example to find the mean deviation for the given data set, which is the examination marks of the 9 students. So now how to calculate the mean deviation of these values? We will use the following procedures. The first, which is very important for this, we need to find the arithmetic mean. That is x bar is equal to summation x divided by n. So we sum up the all observation, that is the marks of all the 9 students, which will provide a sum of 360. So now 360 and the total number of the observation is 9. So 360 divided by 9, it will provide us an answer 40. Now as this arithmetic mean will remain constant for the all values. Now look at this table. Now the first column x represent the variable, that is the 9 student marks: 45, 32, 37, 46, 39, 36, 41, 48 and 36. Now x minus x bar. So we will subtract the x bar from the all x values, which will provide 5, minus 8, minus 3, 6, minus 1, minus 4, 1, 8, minus 4. If you sum up all this column, look at the total, that is provide 0. So just this difficulty arise when a deviation is taken from the mean. So we will use here the absolute operator, that is x minus x bar absolute. So these all values will convert to the positive. Now 5 is as it positive, but after absolute operator it will become again positive. All the rest of the values will be positive. Now summation x minus x bar is summation x minus x bar absolute, so sum is 40. Now we go towards the last slide, that is mean deviation is equal to summation absolute x minus x bar absolute divided by n. So 40 divided by 9, it will provide us 4.44. This is the amount of variability which exists in the given data set. So this was the topic mean deviation and a simple example of the mean deviation. Thank you very much.